Today I decided to go to the dollar store and buy some of these lanterns right here. I purchased 2 of them and then I went home and I painted them with white Rust-Oleum paint. After they were dry, I also have these solar lights that I am going to be incorporating inside these lanterns with baker's twine. I am going to be tying this and then with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing them on top of this lantern. This is going to turn out really nice. So let's go ahead and put plenty of hot glue right here, and then once the glue is in place, then I'm going to take the little solar light and take that baker's twine and press it against the glue so it could go ahead and adhere. And of course, I'm going to be doing the second lantern. I'm doing the same process. And once this is done, I added some succulents in the bottom. And then this is it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy this one.
Light it up, make it shine, crafting magic every time. It's Aurea here, come join the fun. Hit subscribe, DIY for everyone. Special thanks.
On that same trip to the dollar store, I purchased a whole bunch more of these solar lights. I also have some of these candle holders, and all I'm going to be doing is adding plenty of hot glue and then gluing both of these pieces together. And I did this twice, and this is so beautiful. It looks so pretty at night. I have this on my patio set, and look at how gorgeous they turned out. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this one as well. And I have a total of 2 of them.
Let's make these solar lights glow with grace. Create design and let it glow. DIY with Aurea, watch us grow.
I went to a garage sale about 2 weeks ago and I purchased these candle holders. There are 3 of them actually, but I'm going to be using only 2 of them. I also have some more of these solar lights, and this here, I made this in a previous video. I'll be leaving the link to this particular video down in my description box so you could go ahead and check it out to see how I created this. So with hot glue, I'm going to be doing 2 of them the same way. Just put some hot glue right here and then the solar light right on top, as you see. Isn't this beautiful? And by the way, those 3 candle holders, they're made out of brass, and I paid $2 and they are absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with these. And then of course I'm going to be using some of wood blocks. I'm going to be putting 4 on each, only to give it some height, because as you can see, that candle holder has that brass little metal sticking up so you could place your candles in there, and I don't want to take that out of there because eventually I will be putting some candles on top of those brass candle holders. So this helps me place them right here, see? And of course I took them out and I went and I painted them in black because you were able to see those wood blocks. So I went on and I painted it in black. Even though you're gonna see it, at least you don't see that difference in colors. I love going to my garage sales because of course Dollar Tree has gone up in prices and sometimes you find better bargains. And my dear friends, today is all about solar lights. I'll explain that to you a little bit later, but look at the final review. I hope you enjoy this one.
Light it up, make it shine, crafting magic every time. It's Aurea here, come join the fun. Hit subscribe.
So I went to the Dollar Tree and I noticed these new beautiful chargers. So I went and I grabbed me 2 of them. I am so in love with these. These are brand new. Loli showed me some pictures that she went and she found them. So I was hunting for them and I finally found them. I also have these corner brackets. I'm going to be painting these in black. I'm taking these chargers outside and I'm going to be painting them with both of these colors. I started off with the metallic gold and then I started spraying the rest of the charger in black. It didn't turn out quite how I wanted it because I wanted the black to be only in the middle and the metallic gold on the edges, but it still looked beautiful. So now with E6000, I'm gonna go ahead and glue both of these little corner brackets right here. I'm gonna put them to the side and wait until they adhere, and then with some black chalk paint, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the border. I'm both of the plates. But before then, I want to create sort of like a little border right here with E6000 because I'm going to be putting in a lantern and I don't want that lantern to fall. So here it is. Now I'm going to be painting the border. Look at how pretty it looks. I am totally in love with this. Again, I have it in my wall and I am loving it. Anyway, I'm not going to say nothing else. Here's the final review. You be the judge. Let me know what you think.
Create, design, and let it glow. DIY with Aurea, watch us grow. Like, subscribe, and stay a while.
I also purchased these candle holders at a garage sale. I came and I painted both of them with black chalk paint. I love this color. And then I have more lamps. This one comes like this, and this, of course, this is from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place a lot of hot glue right here in the corner, and then I'm gonna be doing that to both of them. And here's another simple project. I hope you enjoy this one as well.
Like, subscribe, and stay a while. More bright ideas with crafty style.
My dear friends, today is another Talented Creators Open playlist. It is being hosted every month by myself and Loli from Loli D's Creations. And every month we try to bring in a guest host. This month we are so honored to present to you Craft Along with Jay. She is very talented. You can find their links directly to their channels down in my description box along with a playlist. Don't forget to go ahead and as soon as you're done with this video, jump into the playlist for more inspiration. Every month we pick a theme and this month was solar lights. So let's go ahead and continue with more solar lights. I have again some more of these candle holders and I have some more solar lights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this one right here. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Now I must say something. I purchased every single solar light that there was at the Dollar Tree, and this particular one does not last as long as all the other ones. For whatever reason, this one have not lasted much. I purchased about 5 or 6 of them, and all of them except one are not turning on. So I will not be purchasing these again. I'm not sure if any of you have experienced it, but if you have, let me know in the comments section. And to be honest, this is one of the ones that I like the most because of the shape and they look so beautiful. But unfortunately, I don't know if I just bought a bad batch or is it just the model. But in the meantime, I did craft with them. I think these look absolutely gorgeous in these candle holders, and I created 4 of them and they look absolutely gorgeous in my patio. I also want to remind you again, don't forget the playlist down below for more inspiration. And I am going to ask you to let me know which of these projects so far you are enjoying the most. Leave it in the comment section.
Make it shine, crafting magic every time. It's Aurea here, come join the fun. Hit subscribe, DIY for everyone.
Now this one is so beautiful. This one flicks, but I was not able to take a picture at night, but this is what I used. I purchased this at Dollar General. All I'm doing is gluing these 2 pieces together and it looks absolutely gorgeous at night. I apologize, but I was not able to take a picture during the nighttime, but here is how it looks.
Light it up, bright and free. Dollar Tree DIYs with me. It's Aurea here.
Guys, I literally found this item exactly where I showed you this video. I told my son, hey, I found this right there. It was next door to my house. And he goes, come on, mom, let's film you. And I just decided to show you that little clip. But yes, I was so happy when I found this item. This is absolutely gorgeous. I took it home and I gave it a nice rub down with Lysol wipes. And now I'm going to come in with some of this metallic gold paint, and I'll be retouching everything that is black, all the metal. This metallic gold paint I purchased at Dollar General, and it looks kind of yellow when it's wet, but once it dries up it looks like gold. And that's why I love this acrylic paint, because it is acrylic paint and I am loving it. So I tried adding a tea candle light in the inside, but I couldn't find any. So what I did is I found some fairy lights, and that's what I added in the inside, and it looks gorgeous. So what I did is I turned off the lights and I tried to see how it looks, and it looks absolutely divine. And of course I'm going to show you both ways, with the lights on and with the lights off. And you let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful piece. I just cannot believe that somebody would just get rid of it. But you know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And of course this was my treasure, and here it is. I'm going to show you the final review, and again I added some fairy lights in the inside.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.